What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you a delicious hot fudge sauce recipe which is inspired by McDonald's. This recipe is super delicious yet super easy to make, so watch this video till the end. So the first step is to heat a pot. I'm using a ceramic pot and we are going to boil the milk along with some sugar, and once it boils we're gonna add some cocoa powder to it and whisk with the help of whisker. Once it start boiling, we're gonna add some dark chocolate into this with some vanilla extract to get more flavor and a pinch of salt to enhance sweetness and flavors into our fudge sauce.